Good morning, Schmickle fam. You might be wondering, why the fuck are you up so early, Matt? It's 8 in the morning. Why do you have over 38,000 Schmickles in cash? Those are all great questions. Well, I have to pay my stair guys his deposit for the floating staircase in the house. So I gotta go drop it off, and he has samples for me how the flooring is gonna look. So, also later at 1, I have to spend 60,000 schmickles on the stucco. As you saw yesterday in the previous vlog, they're painting it black already, so a lot of schmickles going out lately, so that's exciting. Alright, let's go drive. I can't believe it. Ignore the check engine sign, that's not shocking to me. But we went in Chirac from 80 degrees in October to 50 degrees now. Like, what? Dude, and tomorrow's probably gonna be 90 degrees. That makes sense. Alrighty, I paid the remaining deposit, 50% for the floating stairs. They're gonna be sick, they're gonna have LEDs, they're gonna have motion sensors, they're going to fly. So yeah, we're gonna order them, they're gonna come in 5 weeks. I think the windows are gonna be in. The stucco people are already painting the other side. Let's go! Nice, awesome. So they're going to be, I'm gonna come later. I have to pay the 60 grand for stucco, and they're zooming. I can't wait till the black contrasts with the white walls. It's gonna look, it's gonna be creme de la creme. Anyways, I'm hungry. I'm probably gonna stop by, get some food. It's 10 a.m. I don't think shit is open, but we can try. All right, I went to McDonald's. They oofed me. They said no Big Macs at 10 o'clock. So we're going to the next best thing, the stuff that never hurts me, BK, aka Burger King. They got me. I fucking hope, because I'm hungry as fuck and I'm angry and I want a burger inside of me. So let's see. I'm not gonna cap to you guys. I constantly forget to film, and it's a little bad habit. I have to. You know what? We're on day 11. We're almost getting to the 2-week mark. That means I'm gonna form a habit to constantly record. That's what I'm assuming, at least. Vlogging is hard. It definitely challenges my brain because I don't like pulling out the camera in public when I'm alone. But when I'm with people, I don't care as much. But alright, I'm gonna go get home. Somebody just parked next to me. It's very awkward, so I'll see you guys soon. Alright, bye. You know what I just realized? I preach, and I don't listen to my own advice. That's how ignorant I am. I realized that you just have to look at the data, what people watch for YouTube, for TikTok. And here's the conclusion. You guys just watch when my fiance is on the videos. If she's not in the videos, the views tank. Makes sense. You guys are not gay. You guys, majority of my people are like 99% men. So I guess men don't want to watch on other men. Fair enough. I just realized that. So, content with the fiance works really well. Controversy works really well. How to go viral? You need controversy and you need people to hate. You need haters to boost the comments. That is the golden recipe. If you want to go super viral, you need controversy, you need drama, you need all that. Nobody's going to blow you up just from good heart and liking you. To get a like nowadays, you have to legit like go into space, because if little Timmy posts his graduation picture, you're not even going to fucking like it. That's how hard likes are nowadays. So, in conclusion, we made 5 TikToks with my fiance. They're so dumb and I love it. They're so funny. So go to the reels and go watch them if you haven't already. And we'll see how they perform. We'll see the views. We'll see if I was right. So this is like a testing kind of phase, just like ads. Why try something new and reinvent the wheel when you can copy what works? I read the data. Now let's see if the data corrects me. So, yeah, and I gotta go in a couple minutes to the land to pay 60 grand for the stucco. So I'll see you there. Have you guys noticed that I live a really basic, boring life? Besides the house, not much is happening. I just kind of, once you retire, in your 20s, you kind of have to come up with new ideas to entertain yourself because you can go crazy. Retiring early is a blessing, but you just have to, I don't know, find hobbies, a lot of them. Do something you love because you go nuts. So I'll have these, I'll treat myself because why not? I'm low-key shocking myself. I edited another vlog. It's been 11 days straight. Well, with this one, it's 12, but check it out. Let's try just thumbnails without any text. Let's see if we get more views. I know, and we made a very basic title. The title is I'm the laziest millionaire and I vlog my regular life. Let's see if this helps. Maybe. We know you have to test in business. You have to test on YouTube what works, what doesn't. So let's see if it works. We were reunited with the wifey. Show the nails. Wow, such pretty nails. Beautiful. What would you rate them?
I like them a lot.
I'll give them 12 out of 10.
Wow.
Yeah. Alright guys, change of plan. We're going to Spirit Halloween to look for costumes because Halloween is coming. Let's go. Holy moly. They're the Squid Games. Wow. Should we dress up as Squid Games?
I don't want to be a Squid Game.
No?
No.
Try it again.
She's so scary.
Walk up to her.
No.
Walk up to her. Oh, we're dead. We're dead. That's crazy. This is a hot contender. Should I be Barney this year? What do you think, Barney? Should I be Shrek? Damn, look at this donkey. This looks terrifying.
You wouldn't want to keep that on your head though. And a robe and a cigar. Why would not?
Can't be a captain. I found it, babe. This is what I'm gonna be trusting.
No, you're not allowed.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
sorry. No.
I'm becoming a furry for this year.
No.
Dude, look at that. I could be one of them.
No.
Holy crap, I forgot about these. How much money I made with these masks like a couple years ago with drop shipping them. Now they're here. There's so many of them too. I bet there's some people making some money off of that. That's wild. We got the bag. We got our Halloween costumes, but actually we're not gonna tell them. We're not gonna tell them. You gotta wait for Halloween, you cheekies. You gotta watch the vlogs to see what we got. But yeah, now we're gonna go go shopping. All right, guys, I got hungry. We're going to Mott's Pizza. I'm gonna grub. We got cheese. Not bad. Wow, we found La Boo Boos at a Polish deli. Heck, more La Boo Boos. My gosh. This was my childhood in Poland when I was living as a brokey farmer. Cactus and a lollipop with a design. You like your lollipop? Guys, oh my goodness, I haven't had this in years. Sour, sweet. It's translated to a cactus. Cactus. Makes sense, I guess. This takes me back home to the mother of Poland. I don't miss it at all, but I miss this. Wow. I love it. Wow. So good. Good day. Good day. Snacks have been acquired. Alright guys, I'm back home. I went to the land. They are painting the house black. Love it. But yeah, now I'm gonna go live stream for an hour and we're gonna help more people make schmickles. So I'll see you guys after the live stream. Let's play, buddy. You're so cute. Go. Watch this. Right, look. Ah! You're so goofy. Hey, go back. Oh. He's gonna come back. Nope. He almost had me. Alright guys, it's been a long day. It's 10 p.m. I just spent the last 2 hours live streaming on TikTok and YouTube. That was fun. Answered some good questions. Now I'm going to end it here, honestly. I ate my leftover Mods pizza. I caught a vibe, and I'm gonna edit this vlog. So I still have to help all the students. Email one guy that just joined, and yeah, it was a good vlog. I think. Hopefully, I don't know. I forgot what I did, honestly. Leave a like if you want to subscribe. It's free 99 today, limited time offer. And if you want to work with me, you know what to do. First link below. I'll set everything up for you if you want to start Shopify as soon as today. So, see you guys in the next one.